Okay. Okay, so
Here it is.
yeah, thanks. If it doesn't
Did
look like
you post something on Instagram about the lift?
Okay, so I didn't think I was able to get in, but thanks to this kind staff member, I was able to. Thanks, you can go. But yeah. So yeah, this used to be an older first-rate Ecodisc until it was modernized into a 21, and it's got KODIS 330, so that's great. I was kind of nervous to film it, but yeah. I've never seen this before, actually. What the? This looks so different. Here we have 2. 12,900 kgs.
Second floor.
Oh, it's even got a new voice. It's nice. And if you look up here, yeah, we're not gonna stay here long. Yeah, obviously I'll take it up for the second ride and get some pictures. Here, ground.
Ground floor.
Oh, hello. You go. Well, and yeah, we'll be doing a second ride on this because obviously this is something I've never seen before, so it's nice. Okay, so we're up on the first floor, and yeah, I think we'll just go down and then we'll finish. So the roll of photos I need. Obviously, it's my first time seeing. Well, yeah, that's where the old LOP used to be. So that's nice. Oh yeah, then I've got a little disclaimer for you guys.
Ground floor.
You have grounds. Ooh, pretty doors. Oh, I missed the bus. Well, don't worry, that's fine. It was totally worth it. And yeah, that's it. And so yeah, you got that way, except that's got a key card, and so that's nice. So yeah, literally to actually get here, you have to go around here, and there's a little reception out there. So that's nice.